Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel, watch and my video. Thank you. Best of luck, my friends. Presentation, the social work. My video is very important. Video is the social work. The truck accident, injury and lawyer. Uh, Please subscribe my channel and viewers. Thank you. Like, comment, share and watch my videos. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Uh, if you're looking for a truck accident injury lawyer, you can follow the step outline in my prevention response to find stable legal reputation. However, I will provide a more specific and concise guide tailor your station. Number one, ask for recommendation. Seek recommendation from friends, family, or colleagues who many have experience with personal injury attorneys, especially and specific others specialization in truck accident. Online search, use search engine and legal direction from to find truck accident injury lawyer in your areas. Use keywords like truck accidents, injury, lawyer, your city, your state for a more targeted search. Legal dictation. Explore online legal dictation such as the above detailation information about an attorney's background, experience and client reviews. Local Bar Association. Number 3, Local Bar Association. Contact your local or state bar association for reference to lawyer specialist in a personal injury law and truck accident. Number 5, consultation. The schedule consultation with a few attorneys to discuss your truck accident injury case. During those mentioned include about their experience, case, appos and potential standing for your station. Number 6, experience. Choose an attorney with specific experience in handling truck accident injury case. They should be familiar with the unique, challenging, or regulation associated with accident involving communicate trucks. Candidates verify the attorney is legal to perfect law in your state and has good standing with a bar association. Reviews. Read online reviews on platforms like Google, Yahoo, Yellowpages, or Legal Direction, and to gain instruction, insight into the attorney reputation and post-client experience. Free structure. Number 9. Free structure, understanding the attorney's free arguments practically if they were 1A contains free base with free are contain who warning the case. Number 10. Communication. Associate how will the attorney communicate with you during the consular. Effective communication in career throughout the legal process. Number 11. Case assessment. Ask the attorney for an detailed assessment of your case, including the potential sting, challenge, and the likely outcomes. Remember, it is calculated to accident promptly and consult with an attorney. Understand the specific requirement and deadlines associated with your truck accident injury case. Personalized legal advice in ensure if you unique documentation. The friends are very important and the truck accident injury lawyer. If you are looking for a truck accident injury lawyer, you can follow the step outline my process response and find stable legal reputation. However, I will provide a more specific and consular guidelines, tutorial and instruction. Ask for a recommendation. Seek recommendation for friends, family, or colleagues who may have experience with potential injury autonomy, especially those specialized in truck accident. Use search engine the legal direction and find truck accident injury lawyer in your areas. Use keyword like truck accident injury lawyer, your cities, your state for the more targeted search. The legal direction. Explore online legal direction search and however maintains however find law This is the direction. Option provide details information about attorney background, experience, and client reviews. The local bar association contract where will the state and association and the lawyer specific personal injured the truck accident. Schedule counselor with a few attorney the discuss your truck accident injured case. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck.